Hello children, today we are going to learn about the new concept in our number system, operations on rational numbers. So we know that the fundamental operations are addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. So in the four operations, just you can start with the first operation is addition. Now addition of rational numbers, right? Addition of rational numbers, in order to add the rational numbers, just you have to follow the steps, the given 1, 2 and 3 steps. The step number 1 is first express each rational number with a positive denominators, right? First express each rational number with a positive denominator. Why you are there specify here is some cases they are giving denominators also as a negative. So it comes as a change the positive symbol. For example, take as here now, you can write as 3 upon minus 5. It should be converted as not a minus of 3 by 5. So like this, can change the given fractions or rational numbers as a positive denominators. And step number 2 is, if the denominators of both the rational numbers are the same, then add their numerators and divide the common denominator. It means that if both are the like fractions, right, then you can do directly as the sum of their numerators. And point number 3 is, if the denominators of both the rational numbers are different, then we have to express the equivalent rational numbers with the same denominators and add them. That means the given is unlike fractions, so both are different rational numbers, right? That means unlike fractions, denominators are different, then both are converted into the like fractions, then add directly with the numerators. So these steps are given to us to follow to find add the given two rational numbers, right? Now take example here. Now find the sum of two rational numbers. The given is minus 4 upon 9, 15 upon 12 and minus 7 upon 18. So just add the sum, right? First, what is given to write here now? What is given here? Just here note it down. Minus 4 upon 9, right? Minus 4 upon 9 plus we are adding, right? And sum of the given is sum, that means add. So 15 upon 12, right? And plus of minus 7 by 18. These three are the given rational numbers. So now you can check it is those are like fractions or not. 9, 12, 18. So here you can follow the two methods. If you add the given fractions should be converted into the like fractions, or else you can find the LCM of the denominators. So just I am doing first method here now. Convert into the, that means first of all find the LCM of the given fractions of denominators. So 9, 12 and 18, right? So you can write here now 9, the given is 9, 12 and 18. So take as which is a divisor, take as no most to take as 2 times. 9 is the same, 2 6 are, 2 9s are. Now it comes as take 3 table, better. 3 3s are, 3 2s are, 3 3s are. Now it comes as again 3 table, 3 1s are, 2 and 1. Now multiply now 2 into 3 into 3 into 2. 2 3s are 6, 6 3s are 18, 18 2s are 36. So the LCM of the given three fractions is 36. Right? Is it right now? 36 will be there. So 2 into 3 into 3 into 2. It comes as now 36. Now 36 how many comes? 4 times. Now 4 into 4, 4 for the 16. Its symbol is minus 16. Plus symbol is here now, sign. 12 36, 3 times. 3 15s are 45, right? Plus into minus, minus. 18 36, 2 times. 2 7s are 14, right? 2 7s are 14. Now you can take as here now, the given symbols will be same signs should be added, different signs should be subtracted. So minus 16 minus 14. Minus 16 minus 14 comes as minus 30. And 45 will be there, then plus 45. These should be subtracted. So now 45 minus 30 is plus 15. So the answer is now 15 upon 36. If it is possible to cancellation in 3 table, can do it. 3 5s are 3 12s are. So the answer is 5 upon 12. This is the sum of the given 3 fractions, 3 rational numbers. Just you have to take as what are the given rational numbers, write in order. The given is the sum, then minus 4 upon 9 plus 5 upon 12 plus of minus 7 by 18, they given us. So 9, 12, 18 take as LCM of these 3 denominators. Then take as now 2 6 are 2 9s are. Take LCM comes as 36. So write as the denominator, common denominator. Then 9 36 4 times will goes, 4 4 are 16. Then 12 3 times 3 15s are 45. 18 36 2 times 2 7s are 14. Same sign should be added, opposite sign should be subtracted. Then it comes as 15 upon 36. The answer is now 5 upon 12. This is the sum of the 2 rational numbers, right? And next, the one more is they given is the additive inverse. We know that, right? If P by Q and R by S are the 2 rational numbers, and P plus P upon Q plus R upon S equals to 0, then the sum of the 2 rational numbers is equals to 0. Then one of the rational number is called as additive inverse of the other. That's why they given is P upon Q is called the additive inverse of R upon S, or negative of R upon S. That means vice versa they given us. That means already told you, if A plus B equals to 0, right? Just take an example here now. If A plus B equals to 0, A plus B is equals to 0. That means A is additive inverse of B, or B is additive inverse of A. This is called as vice versa, or else they taken as negative also. Is it clear now? And next, take example here now, additive inverse of 3 upon 4. 3 upon 4 negative means what you can write as now, minus 3 upon 4. Minus 3 upon 4 is the additive inverse of 3 upon 4. And next, subtraction. The second operation is subtraction of rational numbers. Subtraction of rational numbers means comes as now, if P by Q and R by S are the 2 rational numbers, it follows as R by S. That means the given is subtract P by Q from R by S. We know that from means the second term should be written as the first. So R by S minus of P by Q is equals to R by S of minus of P by Q. It means here now the sum of the rational and its additive inverse is called as subtraction, right? So R by S plus of minus P by Q is, it means that the sum of the a rational number and its additive inverse is called as the subtraction of the rational number. See here, R by S plus of minus P by Q, additive inverse of the other, those becomes as addition. So take example here now. Example is subtract minus 2 by 7 from 3 by 4. From means you can write as 3 by 4 is the first place. What to do now? Subtract. That means symbol is minus. What is the given fraction for us? Minus 2 by 7. So of minus 2 by 7. Right now. Okay. Now 3 upon 4 minus into minus plus 2 upon 7. Now 4 and 7 both are the different fraction rational numbers, different denominators. So that's what take as now LCM, or else take a LCM. 4 and 7 are the co-prime numbers. That's what directly do as multiplication. 4 7s are 28. Now 4 28 is 7 times, 7 3s are 21 plus 7 28 4 times, 4 2s are 8. So it comes as now 28 plus 1 is 29 upon 28. This is the subtraction of the given 2 rational numbers, right? And next one is, take one more example here now. Simplify 3 upon 8 minus of minus 2 upon 9 plus of minus 1 by 3, 36. So take what is given, first of all write it now here now. 3 upon 8 minus of minus plus 2 upon 9 plus into minus minus 1 by 36. So here the denominators are 8, 9 and 36. Take a LCM here now. Take the LCM of 8, 9, 36. Right? Here is 2 table, 2 4s are 9, 2 18s are. Again 2 table, 2 2s are 9 and 2 9s are. Now take as 3 table now. 2 is the same, 3 3s are 3 3s are. Now 3 table again, 1 and 1. Now it comes as now 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12, 12 to 36, 36 2s are 72. So the LCM of the given denominators is 72. So 72 right here now. 872. How much will go? 8 9s are 9 3s are 27 plus 9 72 8 times 8 2s are 16 minus 36 72 2 times 2 1s are 2. Now these should be added. 30 plus 43 minus 2 upon 72, it comes as 41 upon 72. So this is the simplification of the given three rational numbers. Okay, and like this you can do the subtraction addition of the given rational numbers. That's all children. Thank you.